Guys, back with another video. Today I have these cool drinks. They're like juice, and this is cranberry and raspberry flavour, and this is pomegranate. So without further ado, let's just open them. Okay, we've already opened them anyway. But okay, let's start off with cranberry and raspberry. This one I have a good feeling about. Oh. It's coming out so slow. It looks like blackcurrant squash. Okay, that's enough. It smells nice. That's pretty good. And then next up, we're gonna try the pomegranate flavour. So let's get this open. Just checking out the smells first. Ugh, that's not nice. Well, let me just double check. Oh. Ugh. Me personally, I like cranberry and raspberry better. It's refreshing. Anyway, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!